Welcome viewers, I am Tutor Cletus Okoli. In today's math class, we want to solve for x. In the given question, 2x raised to the power 4 all over 3 minus 16x raised to the power 1 all over 3 plus 30x raised to the power minus 2 all over 3, all equal to 0. I want you to watch to the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Alright, now the solution to the question. What the question has given to us is 2x raised to the power 4 over 3 minus 16x raised to the power 1 over 3. Okay, next is plus 30x raised to the power minus 2 all over 3, everything equal to 0. Okay, if you look at this question very well, you will agree with me that the coefficient of x throughout can be divided by 2. So 2 is a factor all through, and that means we are going to divide all through by 2. And that becomes 2x raised to the power 4 over 3 divided by 2 minus 16x raised to the power 1 over 3 divided by 2 plus 30x raised to the power minus 2 over 3 divided by 2 is equal to 0 divided by 2. So when this division is taken, what we have is x raised to the power 4 over 3 minus 8x raised to the power 1 over 3, then plus 15x raised to the power minus 2 over 3, then all equal to 0. I have divided all through by 2. Now, the next thing I will do is to divide again by the power of x here, which is x. Okay, I will divide by the coefficient of 15, alright, which is x raised to the power minus 2 over 3. I want to divide all through. That is the next step I will take into this. Dividing all through by the coefficient of 15, which is x raised to the power minus 2 all over 3. And what that means is that I'll have x raised to the power 4 over 3 divided by x raised to the power minus 2 over 3 minus 8 x raised to the power 1 over 3 divided by x raised to the power minus 2 over 3 plus 15 x raised to the power minus 2 over 3 divided by x raised to the power minus 2 over 3. So, and of course, equal to 0 divided by x raised to the power minus 2 over 3. So, I am dividing all through by x raised to the power minus 2 all over 3. But you can agree with me that in indices, if I have x raised to the power a all over x raised to the power b, it is equal to x raised to the power a minus b. Okay? That means when the basis and the numerator, the base and the numerator is the same as the base and the denominator, then the powers will subtract. I repeat what I have said. If the base and the numerator is the same as the base of the denominator, the powers will subtract. What that implies is that the base and the numerator is x and the denominator is x. So I will have it written x raised to the power 4 over 3 minus 2 over 3. Okay? Minus 8x raised to the power 1 over 3 minus 2 over 3. Then plus 15x raised to the power minus 2 over 3, then minus 2 over 3. Everything now, 0 over this is equal to 0. Very good. I hope what I have written down is very clear. So moving forward, from here, 4 all over 3 minus 2 over 3. Minus is plus. Therefore, 4 plus 2 is 6 divided by 3 will give me x raised to the power 2. Then minus 8. Next, I have 1 over 3 minus 2 over 3. Minus is plus. Therefore, 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3 will give me 3 over 3. And 3 over 3 is 1. So I have 8x because x raised to the power 1 is x. Next, plus, alright, I have minus 2 over 3, minus minus is plus. So I have minus 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3, which is equal to 0. And the x raised to the power 0 is 1. And 1 times 15 will give me 15. So everything is equal to 0. Now, we have narrowed it down to a simple quadratic equation. And at this point, what we will do next is to use any of the methods of quadratic equation to solve for the value of x. And here, let us go by factorization method, which says that looking at this, we look for two values, two numbers that we multiply to get plus 15. And when we add that same two numbers, it will give us minus 8. Please subscribe to my channel. If you are watching my videos and you have not subscribed, please kindly subscribe. Now, two numbers that I will multiply and I will get plus 15. And when I add that same two numbers, I will get minus 8. So we can think of minus 3 and the minus 5. Okay? So that minus 3 times minus 5 will give me plus 15. And the minus 3 plus minus 5, minus 3 plus minus 5 will give me minus 8. I will use that two numbers to replace the middle term, and that becomes x squared minus 5x minus 3x plus 15 equal to 0. So this is the process of factorization. I put it into brackets. To have in the first bracket, common is x, next is x minus 5. So that x times x is x squared, and the x times minus 5 will give me minus 5x. Then in the second bracket, what is common is minus 3, such that I will now have inside the bracket x minus 5. What it implies is that minus 3 times x will give me minus 3x. And also minus 3 times minus 5 will give me plus 15. Everything equal to 0. So at this point, the two brackets are the same. I use the values outside the bracket to form another bracket, which is x minus 3. And then taking one of the brackets here, x minus 5. Everything is equal to 0. At this point, the first bracket is equal to 0. And also the second bracket is equal to 0, meaning that x minus 3 is equal to 0. And also x minus 5 is equal to 0. So from the first bracket, I will have it that x is equal to 3. And from the second bracket, I will also have it that x is equal to 5. In conclusion, the values of x, and the question has asked us to solve for the values of x, are equal to, please, this is 3. Okay, that is 3 moving across the equality sign. So are 3 and 5. Very good. Thank you for watching to the end. Do subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and share to your learning colleagues. God bless you.